Bradley from League City wants insulation advice.
Well, he wants to use the attic over his bedroom for storage. Wants to store heavy things up there.
Not too heavy.
Bradley writes, it has blown-in fiberglass insulation up there, and he wants to know, if I lay fiberglass down on top of this, it's going to squish down that blown-in insulation so it's not as thick as then they put it in. And he wants to know, is that okay, or is it not going to work as well? And I think you've said in the past that doesn't work, is it?
Yeah, you're going to put plywood down and squish it down.
So should he remove some, put the deck down, then some, put bats over it or something? How should he do this?
First off, you could do that. You don't even have to remove it. You could squish it down, put the plywood down, put bats over the top of it.
Okay.
Then where do you put your stuff?
On top of the bats.
Yeah, on top
which
of the
is going to push the bats down.
So, don't do that.
You're back where you started.
Okay. Now, in my case, in my house, I made a little platform, a couple platforms, and a walkway down the whole attic for servicing and stuff. My attic is very impressive, by the way.
Yes, it's a thing to see.
And non-storable. But we raised the platform by making it go 6 inches higher than we put the plywood down.
Okay.
And that way you could have the full fluffiness of the insulation.
So you could just take like a 2x6 something, put it on top of it?
Several 2x6s and make a little box, put some plywood on top, put the insulation underneath, keep the insulation fluffy.
Yeah.
And then you just step up onto it and it's fine.
And store all the stuff that
you never want again.
Yeah, because wait till you see what happens with things you store in your attic.
Now, be careful with the boxes and stuff.
It gets schmutzy.
It's gross.
Believe me. All right.
Yeah.
All right, you got
we
a question?
won't go down that road. We've both been there.
We're cutting out here.
Yes.
You got a question? Send it to us, kids. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on the SCOM form, fill it out. We'll answer just like these videos over here, and help us out. Subscribe to our channel.